So welcome students. In this video we will discuss here oxidation and reduction and also redox reactions. So oxidation and reduction reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions are basically defined as add of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. So both of this oxidation and reduction are defined in term of either add and removal of oxygen or add and removal of hydrogen in earlier concept. So oxidation, it means add of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, and the reduction process or reduction chemical reaction is just reverse of oxidation. So in reduction, removal of oxygen and add of hydrogen. So oxidation and reduction are those chemical reaction. So at first oxidation are those chemical reaction in which in any molecule or in any element oxygen is added, then such reactions are termed as oxidation reaction. Or if hydrogen is removed from that species or that complex or that compound or from the any element, so it is not possible कि इन elements में से hydrogen आएगा. So कोई भी अगर complex है उसमें अगर hydrogen के numbers अगर कम हो रहे हैं, so that's one also a part of oxidation. And in case of reduction, which is just reverse of oxidation, is removal of oxygen and also add of hydrogen. So if hydrogen is added to a group or added to an element, then such reactions are reduction reaction. Actually oxidation and reduction ये दोनों ही एक साथ होंगी ऑलवेज, ये दोनों एक साथ होने वाली प्रक्रिया है या फिर दोनों एक साथ होने वाले रिएक्शंस हैं. आप इन दोनों में से किसी एक, कोई एक होगा और दूसरा नहीं होगा, ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. जब भी होंगे तो ये दोनों ही ऑलवेज होंगे. अगर ऑक्सीडेशन अगर हो रहा है तो वहाँ पे रिडक्शन भी होगा, और अगर कहीं पे रिडक्शन हो रहा है इट मीन्स वहाँ पे किसी ना किसी का ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है. सो इन जनरल वी कैन से दैट सो ऐड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन is oxidation and removal of hydrogen is also oxidation, and removal of oxygen and add of hydrogen both are condition for reduction. For example, if we burn a piece of carbon in presence of oxygen, then carbon dioxides are formed. Similarly, magnesium also burned in presence of oxygen form magnesium oxide. So in all these reactions oxygen is added to one element and form their one stable complex. So these are example of oxidation reaction. Similarly, removal of hydrogen also. So if we take ethyl alcohol and react it in the presence of KMnO4 solution, basic KMnO4 solution, so this compound converted into aldehyde first, so that is CH3CHO. So in this complex or in this compound there are 6 atoms of hydrogen, whereas in the product side only 4 atoms of hydrogen are available. It means in this reaction hydrogen is removed from alcohol and aldehyde is formed. So this one is a type of oxidation reaction because here hydrogen is removed. So all these 3 are example of oxidation because in these 2 oxygen is added. Another examples भी आप ले सकते हो, जैसे आप कॉपर ले रहे हो, ऑक्सीजन के साथ हम रिएक्ट करा रहे हैं, CuO का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. So this one also add of oxygen को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. So add of oxygen or removal of hydrogen both are conditions of oxidation. Similarly, in case of reduction, removal of oxygen, so oxygen is removed from any species or any compounds. तो आप किसी भी compound से अगर ऑक्सीजन अगर रिमूव हो रहा है तो वो भी हमारा रिडक्शन कहलाएगा, और अगर हाइड्रोजन अगर कहीं ऐड हो रहा है तो उसे भी आप रिडक्शन बोलेंगे. जैसे एग्जांपल के लिए अगर हम लोग आयरन ऑक्साइड लेते हैं Fe2O3, and react it in the presence of aluminium. So it will form iron and also aluminium oxide. So here iron loses their oxygen atoms. So iron just lost, उसका oxygen का loss हो रहा है, because in this compound 2 atoms of iron attached with or linked with 3 atoms of oxygen, but after reaction iron just loses their oxygen. So removal of oxygen is followed here. So due to removal of oxygen, iron oxide undergoes reduction and form iron. So this one is reduction. Now aluminium accept these oxygen atoms and converted into aluminium oxide. So in this reaction aluminium accept oxygen and converted into aluminium oxide. So this one is part of oxidation. Already we discussed here कि ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन ये दोनों एक साथ होने वाले प्रोसेस हैं. जब भी होंगे तो ये दोनों ऑलवेज होंगे, आप किसी एक एलोन कभी नहीं हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पर आयरन ऑक्साइड का इटसेल्फ रिडक्शन हो रहा है क्योंकि ये आयरन ऑक्साइड आयरन में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, एंड एल्यूमिनियम कन्वर्टेड इनटू एल्युमिनियम ऑक्साइड मींस इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है. सो ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन ये दोनों किसी भी रिएक्शंस में ऑलवेज एक साथ होते हैं, एंड सच रिएक्शंस आर known as redox reaction. Redox, red ox, red for reduction and ox for oxidation. So those reactions in which reduction and oxidation both occurs are known as redox reactions. Actually all reactions are redox because oxidation and reduction ये दोनों ही एक साथ होने वाले प्रोसेस हैं, दोनों एक साथ होने वाली प्रक्रियाएं हैं. अब आप कहोगे सर in this example so carbon is oxidized, no problem, but which one is reduced here? So actually here system is reduced because if we burn a piece of coal in a closed container, then the amount of oxygen reduced because oxygen converted into carbon dioxide here. So amount of oxygen is reduced in that particular system. So उस system में oxygen का reduction हो रहा है और हमारे carbon का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है. सो दिस वन इज बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन. सो इन ऑक्सीडेशन एड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, एंड इन रिडक्शन रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड एड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ रिडक्शन. सो जस्ट इफ वी टेक इथेनॉल और एसिटल्डिहाइड and treated it in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride LiAlH4. So aldehyde converted into alcohol again. So this one is one reduction reaction. Reduction. Why this one is reduction? Because in reactant unit there are 4 atoms of hydrogen, whereas in product unit there are 6 atoms of hydrogen. It means add of hydrogen, and we know that add of hydrogen is reduction. So if we just change ethanol, this one is ethanol here, ethanol, NaL, ethanol, and this one is ethanol. So conversion of ethanol into ethanol is reduction, and conversion of ethanol into ethanol is oxidation. Now इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट ऑक्सीजन, जो कि अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि ऑलवेज हम ऑक्सीजन, अगर ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा है सो दैट्स वन ऑक्सीडेशन, और अगर ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो रहा है सो दैट्स वन रिडक्शन. नाउ एट फर्स्ट व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? सो एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज 8 and their electronic configuration is 2 6. It means valence orbit of oxygen consists 6 electrons here. So oxygen is basically one electronegative element. Electronegativity, actually electronegativity is the tendency of an element to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. So this one is one tendency of an element to attract a shared pair of electron towards itself is known as electronegativity. And oxygen is one electronegative element because oxygen have 6 electrons in their valence orbit, so it accept 2 electrons from outer sources and convert it into O double minus ion. So O accept 2 electrons and convert it into O double minus ion. It means oxygen is one electronegative element. So not only these two, add of oxygen and removal of hydrogen are condition for oxidation, but also add of not only oxygen but add of any electronegative element. So add of electronegative element is also known as oxidation. So similarly, here removal of oxygen, and oxygen is one electronegative element. So in reduction we can say that removal of electronegative element from any complex is known as reduction. So the third point for reduction is removal of an electronegative element. So जब भी कोई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट अगर किसी ग्रुप से अगर बाहर आ रहा है तो उस ग्रुप का वहां पे रिडक्शन माना जाएगा. So we have now 3 different conditions for oxidations and 3 different conditions for reduction also. And the third one is add of electronegative element for oxidation and removal of an electronegative element is reduction. For example, like sodium react with chlorine and form sodium chloride. This one is one simple example. So here sodium is independent here, but in product side sodium attached one chlorine here, and we know that chlorine is one electronegative element because atomic number of chlorine is 17 and their configuration is 287. So their valence orbit consists 7 electrons. It means chlorine will accept 1 electron from outer sources and convert it into Cl minus ion and becomes stable. तो वो क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे Cl is one electronegative element and sodium just attached one electronegative element. So in case of this reaction sodium undergoes oxidation because यहाँ पे सोडियम हमारा न तो ऑक्सीजन को ऐड कर रहा है न ही वो हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कर रहा है, बट सोडियम एक्सेप्ट वन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन फॉर सोडियम. एंड क्लोरीन which is one electronegative element which attached with sodium here, and sodium is one electropositive element. So यहाँ पे क्लोरीन का रिडक्शन होगा, यानी हमारा क्लोरीन का यहाँ पे रिडक्शन हो रहा है और सोडियम का ऑक्सीडेशन. आप इस पॉइंट को और भी एक पॉइंट आगे बढ़ा सकते हो, एड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट और रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट. सो जस्ट रिवर्स हम कर देंगे यहाँ पे, एड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट और रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव element. So removal of electropositive element is also oxidation. Similarly, removal of an electronegative element and add of an electropositive element. So if one electropositive element is added to an element or to a group, then such reactions are also reduction. So all these 4 are different conditions for reduction and these are 4 different conditions for oxidation. Now अगर हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि one group is there and that group accept oxygen and oxygen is itself one electronegative element. So if one electronegative group attached to a group, it means that group must be electropositive in nature because two opposite charges attract each other. So if one electronegative group attached with a specific group, so that group must be electropositive in nature. And one group how becomes electropositive? By losing of electron. So we can say that loss of electron is also one condition for oxidation. So loss of electron is also one condition for oxidation because when one group loses their electron, then it converted into positive ions, and that positive groups easily attract any electronegative group or oxygen. So for oxidation it is necessary condition that loss of electron. So loss of electron अगर होगा तभी ये सारे conditions follow होंगे हमारे. सिमिलरली आप अगर इधर आते हैं, सो वी कैन राइट हियर गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. So gain of electron is for reduction and loss of electron is for oxidation. Now just in previous example NaCl, so Na react with chlorine and form NaCl here. Now the configuration of sodium is actually 281 and the configuration of chlorine, it means not for Cl2 gas, I am talking about here Cl atom, which is 287, and in this complex sodium loses their one electron and attain the configuration of 28, so configuration of neon, and sodium consists positive charge. Similarly chlorine will accept one electron and convert it into 287, so chlorine have negative charge and these two opposite charged ion comes in contact and form one neutral stable salt here. So in this example sodium loses their one electron and chlorine accept one electron. So little bit sorry here because chlorine 8, because outer orbit of chlorine, outermost orbit or valence orbit of chlorine consists here 7 electron and it just accept 1 electron and converted into 288 form. So this is the configuration of argon. तो argon के configuration को इसने अटेंड करा हुआ है और ये पॉजिटिव है और निगेटिव है, तो दोनों मिलकर के एक न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स का यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं. तो सोडियम के साथ क्या हो रहा है कि लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, बिकॉज सोडियम लूजेस देयर वन इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड क्लोरीन एक्सेप्ट वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ऑक्सीडेशन. इट मीन्स हमारा यहाँ पे सोडियम का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है एंड क्लोरीन का हमारा रिडक्शन होगा क्योंकि क्लोरीन यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो वन कंडीशन फॉर ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन. So in this reaction zinc oxide react with carbon and form zinc and also carbon monoxide. Similarly in second reaction also hydrogen sulfide react with sulfur dioxide, then it forms sulfur and also water. So these are also example of redox reaction because in both reactions oxidation and reduction both occurs. So how? So in first one zinc oxide loses their oxygen and converted into zinc, so this one is part of reduction, and here carbon form carbon monoxide, so carbon just gain oxygen from system and form carbon monoxide, so carbon का यहाँ पे oxidation हो रहा है and zinc oxide का हमारा reduction. Now another concept of oxidation and reduction is basically increase in oxidation number or decrease in oxidation number. So at first what is oxidation state or oxidation number? So actually actual charge or apparent charge on an atom within a molecule is known as their oxidation number or oxidation state here, not number, it's oxidation state. So oxidation state is basically either actual charge or apparent charge on an atom within a molecule or in a molecule. So in zinc oxide, actually zinc oxide here, so oxygen is one electronegative element which have -2 charge. So zinc charge of zinc atom is must be here +2. So in complex ZNO oxidation number of zinc is +2 because oxidation number of oxygen is -2 here. So the oxidation number of zinc is +2 in this complex, and here oxidation number of zinc is 0 because it is in free state. So in free state or in molecular state like Cl2, acid, so in all these cases oxidation number is 0. So in this condition oxidation number from double plus to 0, it means कि oxidation number decreases here for zinc. It means यहाँ पे हमारा zinc का reduction होगा क्योंकि zinc का oxidation number decrease हो रहा है from +2 to 0. But in this case carbon have 0 oxidation number and carbon just converted into CO, carbon monoxide, in which oxygen is -2 and carbon is +2 here. So this is the apparent charge on carbon in carbon monoxide unit. So carbon just increase their oxidation number from 0 to +2. It means this one is part of oxidation. So this is your fifth condition for oxidation and reduction. If oxidation number increases, then oxidation, and if oxidation number decreases, then its reduction. In this example also, if we just observe this one here, so the oxidation number of sulfur is here 0, and in this unit hydrogen, 2 atom of hydrogen, it means 2H plus, so oxidation number of sulfur is here -2, so it just from -2 to 0, -2 to 0, it means oxidation number increases here. So this one is part of oxidation. And in case of, we can also call it, sir, in this reaction hydrogen is removed, so this one is oxidation, no problem, but my point of view in this reaction is increase in oxidation number or decrease in oxidation number. So if oxidation number increases during a change or during a reaction, then such reactions are oxidation, and if oxidation number decreases during any kind of change, then such reactions are reduction. So these are basic concepts of oxidation and reduction. In next class we will discuss about their different effects of oxidation and reduction